Hey guys, geek out everything, and today in this video we'll be comparing the Soundcore R500 and OnePlus Bullets wireless earphones. So yeah, let's start it. So let's just talk about the comfortability and fit. In terms of comfortability, they are actually pretty good, but not that much good, because if you have small ears, then after some time they'll start hurting you, because I don't know why, because of their design. But OnePlus Bullets wireless are actually really good in terms of comfortability. And in terms of wire quality also, OnePlus Bullet 5Z is a little bit better as compared to the Soundcore R500, but R500 is also pretty good. Like, wire quality doesn't matter that much, but yeah, it's something that you should consider. And in terms of build quality, they both are built pretty similarly, so there's not much difference in terms of build quality, and they doesn't feel any cheap or anything like that. So yeah, that's about it. The button quality is also really good. Buttons are really tactile and they give nice feeling. So that's about it. And the R500 also doesn't have a magnetic detach button, like it doesn't turn on as soon as you detach them. You have to press the separate button in order to turn them on, which is like little less convenient, but yeah, that's what it is. And talking about the charging time and the playback time is a little bit more in Soundcore R500, but talking about the charging time is less in OnePlus Bullet Wireless C because of the warp charging. So yeah, that now talking about the sound quality of these earphones, talking about the R500 have like a little bit bassy sound. You'll get that too much bass in them, but in OnePlus Bullet Wireless Z you don't get that much bass. The bass is there, the bass is still there, but it's not too much enhanced as compared to the R500. R500 has really nice low end, and they're a little bit lack in terms of high tones, but high tones are also a little bit better in OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z. So yeah, that's about it. And in terms of overall sound quality, I will give slight edge to OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z because they have overall really good sound. So yeah guys, that's it about this video, and if you just simply like this video, hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button. That'll be really helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, peace out.